Yesterday we had a fruitful discussions, and I hope that today we will continue at the same pace. I wish us success in this. First, some practical information. Please, oh, that's me, okay. Please use the library's free Wi-Fi connection. And, yeah. Agenda is available in your conference pack and on screen through the event. Photos and videos will be taken throughout the event for WAPES communication and social media. By attending, you have consented to be photographed and featured in official materials. And please don't forget to use our hashtags in your social media. The next slide. Here you can find QR codes for our WhatsApp group and the agenda. Please follow the links and use them for convenience. Thank you. And now, I would like to give the floor to my dear colleague Eva Lapsiņa, representative of International Relations of the State Employment Agency of Latvia. And Eva will give us a brief summary of the first day of the conference and outline of the second day. Please, Eva.
Good morning, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the second day of our WAPES European Regional Conference here in Riga. I hope you had an inspiring and engaging first day and pleasant evening at the Latvian Railway History Museum. I'm very happy and thankful to meet you all here in Riga in the conference with such an important topic, defending the future. And I'm thankful to Evita for the idea of this topic, and also to my WAPES colleagues for making it happen and making it so rich of content. Thank you. And let me take a moment to reflect on yesterday rich and thought-provoking discussions we had. Yesterday we focused on the recruitment and retention. We began our journey with warm words of welcome from national and international partners, setting the tone of the conference. The first plenary session yesterday explored the challenges and strategies around recruitment and retention in defense and security sectors. We heard diverse perspectives from strategic skill-based recruitment approaches in the Netherlands to Latvia's own defense industry, how it's working to close the skills gaps. We were also reminded of the global nature of these issues with insights from Sweden, OECD, and Accenture on how workforce planning and targeted support can make a real impact. The second session yesterday brought us to the importance of collaboration. Presentations from Slovenia, Latvia, and Germany highlighted concrete examples of how public employment services can work hand in hand with defense institutions, from strategic partnerships to youth outreach and shared service models. Later, during the interactive workshops we had yesterday, we had a closer look at two key areas: reintegration efforts for Ukrainian veterans and displaced people, with an emphasis on coaching and skill validation, and also the cultural shift required for successful skills-based recruitment in the defense sector. Before we move on, I would like to say thank you to all speakers and moderators who contributed to yesterday's program. Thank you for your commitment and for sharing both the challenges and innovations to shape workforce development in the defense and security sector. Today, we turn our attention to the final phase of our journey in this conference in defense and security, to reintegration. How do we help those who have served returned successfully to civilian life equipped with the right skills and support systems? We will hear powerful stories and expert views on transition pathways, including successful reskilling and employer engagement. After this morning plenary session, we will continue with European meeting with Executive Secretary Ms. Amandine Moignard, and WAPE's Vice President, Mr. Mehmet Altum from İSKUR, Turkey. This is a members-only session, and we invite all members to stay in the plenary room, this room, for important discussions. Following the meeting, we will enjoy lunch on the top floor of this library, so we are not keeping you all 2 days in the basement, but also there you also have the chance to appreciate the panoramic views of Riga, and I hope that weather will not spoil that for us, and we will have a very, very lovely lunch with a lovely view. To close official part of program, you are warmly welcome to join a guided tour of the National Library, opportunity to explore this unique building and learn more about its role in Latvian's culture and intellectual life. I invite you to keep sharing your ideas, ask questions, and think critically, because the future of effective workforce development in defense and security depends on solutions we co-create together. Thank you, and I wish you a productive and inspiring second day of the conference. After the conference, we invite you to the dinner this evening to Riga Latvian Society House at 7:30. And as today we are not so much people, we are less, if you can please take the free places in the front, take the better seats as it's possible, that we are closer and can engage more. Thank you, and I will give floor to Nicole.